Section 1. Marketing Magic, a new dawn. Marketing is evolving. The digital age has ushered in a new era. AI and Creative Commons are at the forefront, reshaping the landscape. Marketers have more power than ever before. We can reach our audience directly and craft compelling campaigns. The key? Leveraging resources effectively. Creative Commons offers a treasure trove of content. It's time to unlock its potential. Section 2. Creative Commons, your marketing arsenal. Imagine a library of video content. It's vast and diverse. Best of all, it's free to use. That's the power of Creative Commons. It's a game changer for marketers. Creative Commons licenses grant permission to use copyrighted works. There are different license types, each with its own set of rules. Understanding them is crucial. Section 3. Cost-effective creativity, stretching your marketing dollar. Marketing budgets are tight, and every dollar counts. Creative Commons offers a solution. It's a cost-effective way to create engaging content. No need to break the bank. High-quality videos can be expensive and production costs add up quickly. Creative Commons eliminates these costs, allowing you to allocate your budget elsewhere. It's a win-win situation. Section 4. Navigating the labyrinth, selecting your Creative Commons videos. Finding the right videos is key. It's about quality, not just quantity. Start by understanding your audience. What resonates with them? What are their interests? Explore reputable platforms. Filter your search by license type. Pay attention to the attribution requirements. Don't forget to preview the videos. Ensure they align with your brand. Section 5. Weaving magic with videos. Integrating Creative Commons into your campaigns. Videos are powerful marketing tools. They capture attention. They convey messages effectively. Creative Commons videos can be integrated seamlessly. Use them on your website. Share them on social media. Incorporate them into email marketing. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and experiment. Section 6. AI and Affiliate Marketing, a synergistic symphony. AI is truly transforming the marketing world, and affiliate marketing is no exception. AI-powered tools are now emerging, and these tools enhance both efficiency and effectiveness. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, identifying trends and patterns that help optimize campaigns. This means affiliate marketers can now target the right audience more effectively and maximize their return on investment. Section 7. The Power of Choice. Creative Commons versus AI in your marketing mix. Both Creative Commons and AI are powerful tools, yet they serve different purposes. As marketers, you have the power of choice to select the tool that best fits your needs. Creative Commons offers access to free content, while AI provides intelligent automation. Both can significantly enhance your marketing efforts, so consider your budget and goals to make informed decisions. Section 8. Case Studies Real-World Success with Creative Commons. Many businesses, from startups to Fortune 500 companies, have embraced Creative Commons and have achieved remarkable results. These success stories provide both inspiration and guidance. It's a testament to the effectiveness of Creative Commons. By learning from the successes of others, you too can unlock your own success. Section 9. Unleash your marketing potential. Embrace the Creative Commons revolution. Marketing is an ever-evolving landscape, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial. Creative Commons offers a competitive edge. Embrace its power and unlock your marketing potential. It's time to break free from traditional constraints, embrace creativity, and leverage the power of Creative Commons. The future of marketing is here. Are you ready to seize it?